Hi viewers! Today we are going to make potato fry. Perfect for pairing with sambar. Peel the potatoes and slice them into pieces and cook them for 10 minutes by adding water and strain them. In a pan, add oil for deep fry. Let it heat. Deep fry all the drained potatoes and keep them aside. In a pan, add oil, fenugreek seeds, and crushed garlic. Add curry leaves and chillies and let them fry. And then add turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, salt, and finally add fried potatoes. Fry them for 2 minutes. Potato fry is ready.